What are the things that you think customers should focus on when it comes to security then?
Device management, primarily, with handing over devices and sending them out into the world. Device management is priority. You have people working at different places now. You know, some people just go out on their back deck, but other people go to Starbucks or other people go to their local library. And a very easy thing to do is forget your device.
So our new norm really is really policy driven. It's knowing what devices are connected to your network. It's no longer that walled garden of what you have in the office is what you have. It's now devices that are outside that bubble, which now have created that chaos of having to worry about all of the elements outside of their walled garden. Do you ever think we're gonna get back to a norm?
I personally don't think so. I think that the shift to the cloud that has been happening and is still happening in the last 2 to 3 years is here to stay. I think that what we're going to end up seeing is vendors adapting to the new landscape and building their products to specifically work within the cloud environment and the cloud world. What's interesting is that I think that this process would have likely taken 5 to 10 years versus 2 to 3 years because of the pandemic. It vastly got accelerated as a result. But I don't think we're going to ever go back to what it was or something close to it. I think we're in a new world, but it'll be interesting to see what the trends that come out of this is and where we end up in the next 5 to 10 years as a result.
Yeah, it's kind of scary to think about. We used to ask customers, what can we do to get you to spend money to fix these problems? Never thought it'd be a virus that would kick that into gear, for sure. But I agree. I think, you know, whether this is the new norm or the changes in supply and things like will get better, the world is ever evolving and it's ever changing, and I think we're in this to kind of go forward to the cloud, and the cloud's going to be the option.